Remember the bird and the camel that were complaining to the Prophet ﷺ in a way that only he could hear? Well, now it's the day of judgment, and the animals come forth as witnesses for you or against you. And the Prophet ﷺ said that whoever kills a small bird for play, it will come on the day of judgment and say, Ya Rabb, inna fulanan qatalani abathan, walam yaqtulni li manfa'a. Oh my Lord, so-and-so killed me for sport and not for any benefit. On the other hand, the Prophet ﷺ mentioned about the seeker of knowledge. يَسْتَغْفِرُ لَهُ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَالْحِيتَانُ فِي جَوْفِ الْمَاءِ. That everything in the heavens and the earth seeks forgiveness for that person. Even the fish in the depths of the ocean, the birds high in the sky, they're coming on the day of judgment and they're testifying. Why? Because the knowledgeable believer is mindful of everything and everyone around them and realizes they have a responsibility with what they have been given to everything that they encounter.